Welcome to Rossetti Realty, your hometown realtor. Call us directly anytime with any questions. Thank you for looking. Fly to the coast. Beautiful fly-in community, close to bay and golf. Many upgrades, granite, hardwood floors, upgraded appliances and cabinets. Upstairs 3/3 and in-law suite below is a studio 1/1. Relax by the large screen pool. Store your plane, RV or boats in the 40 by 52 over 2,000 square foot hangar outbuilding. Taxi to the local runway and you're only minutes to the sky. Call today for your private viewing. Motivated seller.